Okay, after this testing what the errors, finding the errors, I had to calculate the IOU, the intersection of union. Intersection of union, if I can show you intersection of union. Okay, explaining the intersection of union. You see, let's say A, A is the manual generated defect and B is the system generated defect. So from A, this is the area of A and this is the area of B. So if you want to find the IOU, we find the intersection area, which is this gray shaded part, and the total area of A and B, total area of this boundary, not A and B actually, but this boundary. So this area over this bounded region, this is the intersection IOU, intersection of union. So I have to calculate it, which ranges from 0 to 1. Okay, let's go forward. I had to calculate it using the X manual and the X predicted, finding the overlapping, and I found the IOU. Like you can see, the first row, 89% of the area was intersected. You can see here almost half of the area from the both sides were intersected. Okay, let's go forward. Now we use this IOU to find the matrix, of which I use the confidence as the matrix. Okay, now of where I had to find the true positive, false negative, and the false positive. There was no true negative in the prediction area. Now, if I can show you what's true negative. Okay, let me just explain true positive in image detection. Okay, true positive in image detection is where, like you can see here, this is the ground truth of which the manual labeled, and the red one is the prediction from the system. The manually labeled, the area of overlap, which is the intersection of union, must be above the threshold, of which threshold I was using the confidence value, of which the confidence value is this one. Like you can see here, the intersection of union was below the confidence. But here, intersection of union is above the confidence, of which the confidence is the threshold. So this is the true positive. Above the false positive is where they were the ground truth and the overlap. But this area of intersection, this area of intersection was this area of intersection, when I calculated the IOU, was below the confidence. This one was above the confidence or equal to the confidence of the threshold. Now here was below the threshold. As you can see here, this one we can call it a false positive because IOU is below the confidence which we used as the threshold for this first. And for the second one, this one was a true positive because it's above the threshold. Now, there were images that were never were just manually annotated, which is a careful, but the system did not predict the defect. This was the false negative, and they never appeared in this matched data set. So I will show you how I found it later, the false negative. Okay, as you can see, I had to remove some columns. Okay, I just tell you. I need to go fast. Meet next video.